Hello everybody, this is Tecno Camon 18P, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can extend the random access memory you have on this device. So, first of all you need to launch settings, then enter the special function category. After that you'll find the MemFusion field, then tap on it. In here turn on the switch, choose for how many gigabytes you would like to increase your random access memory. I'll go with the option of, or with the value of 5, and then tap on activate and restart. So now we'll wait for the device to get reloaded, and after that we'll see whether the changes we have made will have taken effect or not. Alrighty, so the phone has been successfully restarted. So let me get my hands on the system specifications real quick and see whether the virtual RAM has been added. Yep, as you can see, in addition to the default 8 gigabytes of hardware RAM, we've successfully added another 5 virtual gigabytes. So in the result, we've gotten, or in total, we've gotten 13 gigabytes of random access memory. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.